Well, Erica, creeks turned into rapids in Lebanon. This video taken safely from an overpass on Salem Road. This creek normally looks nothing like the raging river that you see here now. But business owners in Lebanon, well, they have been through this before. Many affected by the floodwaters of last year, which is why the shop owner that I spent the day with was making preparations early while keeping a close eye on weather conditions.
Why don't we put them in a tub and then put them up there?
Preparing for the possibility of flooding has become part of the routine for the owner and staff at Edie and Oscars.
I prepped on Tuesday of this week, worried that it might happen, so this is twice in a week.
The charm of Joy Pines Boutique, enhanced by the location, with part of the building extending over the creek, nestled along the historic Lebanon Town Square. In her 5 years in this location, the store has taken on water once, last year.
Here, you're still on solid ground, but when it comes out of the banks, then it comes in from every angle.
Which is why you'll notice all the shelving starts roughly 3 feet off the floor, and all the inventory has a secondary location almost to the rafters. Even with all the planning, the threat still constant.
Oh, did you hear that?
Flood advisory.
As we're talking.
Yeah.
Joy lives up to her name with a very positive attitude, which helps her laugh. But she says people often ask the same question.
You're going back? Like you're going to go back in there? Why wouldn't you go somewhere else, relocate?
Her response, always the same.
Looking around, there's nowhere else I'd rather be.
Her motivation, mounted on the wall. Children, 2 of whom her shop is named after. 10% of Edie and Oscar's proceeds go to fund educational programs across Africa.
That's what keeps me going, girl. I would burn out if it wasn't for a larger purpose.
With that in mind, she preps and prays, knowing in the end, whatever happens with the water,
We'll be fine. Regardless, we'll be fine.
You were not lying. She has the best personality.
I know, I told
I
you.
love how positive she is.
I came back, I said, wait until you hear the woman that I interviewed.
Good story.
So we are praying as well as she preps that
Always.
her business is just fine.